Hey Josh, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2004 Ford Excursion. This is a limited. Give you a shot of the diesel motor.
How you doing?
And this is a conditional video more than anything. I know there's some light scratches here and there. I'll try to point those out for you. The front glass looks great. It does have front fog lamps. This is the front left tire condition and wheel. Mirrors look great. Looking down the side, I don't see any dings. Of course, it's got rain on it, but I saw it earlier and I didn't see any noticeable door dings or anything. This is the rear left tire and wheel. Rear bumper. There's a light crease right here. And a scratch right here that's been touched up. Right rear tire and wheel. Little ding up here on the front. This is the front right fender. Front right tire and wheel. Moving inside. This is the passenger door on the front. The sill. Carpet looks great, seat looks excellent. This is the seat bolster, the side bolster on the front passenger seat. It's got a Pioneer deck. Moving to the right rear passenger seat. This is the door. Leather looks great. A little bit of wear on the side of the seat over on the driver's side passenger. Rear DVD entertainment system. And to the back, got the all-weather cargo mat. Moving to the driver's side rear passenger door. Sill and seat bolster look excellent. Carpet back here is great as well. Looks really clean. Driver's door. And there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you. Give you a call, see if you have any additional questions. And thanks for looking.